Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add gifs to Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to start like using gifs into your messages on Slack, all you will be needing to do is just to insert them. So let's just go to any channel and from there we want like to start like adding gif to our messages. So simply, as you can see, there is this plus sign. So from here, either you can start like assigning GIFs, and basically you can start like searching for whatever you would like. So basically those are a 10 or GIFs, and you can add whatever you want. So from here you can just search for hello, and you can choose anyone, and then you can have like message, hi or whatever, and it will be sent with them. Another method to do it is to simply click on this emoji or the smiley face, and from here you can just go to the GIFs and it will be the same stuff. Or you can simply have some applications like Jiffy that you can use, or for example, uh, like Jiffy, and you can also start having like animated GIFs that will be added to it. So here we will need just to enable Jiffy to our Slack, and basically we need just to click on enable or acquire so it can be added to working space. So let's just wait for it to load, and simply you will need just to click on add to Slack, and you will be able add Jiffy integration and it will take us to our working space. So let's just do whatever we like, save integration, and let's just have it into our working space. And basically you will be able, or everyone would be able to start using it. So let's just go back to our home and it should be added from here. So we need just to have like the save to be enabled. And from there, you will be able to start having the GIFs on your uh, Slack. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.